From a distance, Venus seems alluring, almost like a bright jewel in the vast expanse of space. Its brilliance is captivating, drawing the eyes of stargazers and astronomers alike. It shines brightly in our night sky, a celestial diamond that outshines many other objects. This radiant glow has fascinated humanity for centuries, leading to countless myths and legends. It's often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and mass. Both planets are nearly the same diameter and their masses are comparable, making them seem like siblings in the cosmic family. But don't be fooled by this superficial resemblance. Beneath the surface, Venus is a world of stark contrasts and deadly conditions. Venus harbors a dark secret. Its beauty is only skin-deep, hiding a planet that is anything but hospitable. Beneath its beauty lies a planet tortured by extreme conditions, a stark warning to the fragility of worlds. The surface is a hellish landscape with temperatures and pressures that defy imagination. Venus is a planet of extremes. Its environment is one of the most hostile in the solar system. The surface temperature soars to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is enough to incinerate almost anything that comes into contact with it. That's hot enough to melt lead, turning it into a molten liquid. Imagine a world where metals flow like rivers. The atmospheric pressure is 90 times that of Earth. It's like being deep underwater, where the weight of the ocean bears down relentlessly. Imagine being crushed under the weight of a kilometer of ocean. The pressure is so immense that it would flatten most structures and organisms, and then, there's the atmosphere. It's a thick, toxic soup that envelops the planet. Thick and toxic, it's composed mainly of carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas. This gas traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This dense blanket traps heat, turning Venus into a planetary oven. The heat is relentless with no escape. The clouds, far from being fluffy and white, are laced with sulfuric acid. These clouds are a toxic mix, creating an environment that is both corrosive and deadly. These droplets rain down upon the surface, creating a hellscape unlike anything we know. The acid rain eats away at the surface, adding to the planet's inhospitable nature. Venus, with all its beauty, is a reminder of the delicate balance required for a world to be truly habitable. Venus is a victim of what scientists call a runaway greenhouse effect. It's a cautionary tale of how a planet's climate can spiral out of control. Sunlight pierces Venus's atmosphere, warming the surface, but the heat can't escape back into space. The thick carbon dioxide atmosphere acts like a one-way door. It traps the outgoing infrared radiation, the heat energy from the planet. This trapped heat leads to a relentless increase in temperature, creating a feedback loop. The hotter it gets, the more the surface rocks release carbon dioxide, further thickening the atmosphere. This vicious cycle continues, turning Venus into an inferno. This runaway greenhouse effect is a stark reminder of the delicate balance that governs a planet's climate. The surface of Venus is a dead zone. No known life form could survive such extreme temperatures and pressures. But what about high above the scorching surface, in the cooler upper atmosphere? Here, about 30 miles up, lies a tantalizing possibility. The temperature and pressure in this region are surprisingly Earth-like. Could life exist in these Venusian clouds? It's a bold claim, but not entirely implausible. After all, life on Earth has surprised us with its resilience. We've found organisms thriving in the most extreme environments on our planet: boiling hot springs, acidic volcanic lakes, even the crushing depths of the ocean. These extremophiles, as they're called, show us that life can exist in conditions we once thought impossible. In 2020, a team of astronomers announced a startling discovery. They had detected phosphine gas in the Venusian atmosphere. On Earth, phosphine is primarily produced by microorganisms living in oxygen-starved environments. Its presence on Venus sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Could this be a sign of life floating in the Venusian clouds? The discovery sparked intense debate and a renewed interest in exploring our enigmatic neighbor. While the source of the phosphine remains a mystery, it's a tantalizing clue. It suggests that Venus may hold secrets we're only beginning to uncover. Perhaps, hidden in those acidic clouds, lies a form of life unlike anything we've ever encountered. The discovery of phosphine ignited a new wave of excitement for Venus exploration. For too long, Venus has been neglected, overshadowed by our other celestial neighbor Mars. But now, space agencies around the world are setting their sights on this enigmatic planet. NASA is planning 2 missions to Venus in the coming decade. Veritas, and Da Vinci Plus. These missions will study Venus's atmosphere, surface, and interior, seeking to unravel the planet's history and evolution. The European Space Agency is also contributing to the Venus Renaissance with its Envision mission. This orbiter will use radar to peer beneath Venus's thick clouds, creating a detailed map of the planet's surface. These missions promise to revolutionize our understanding of Venus and its potential for harboring life. When Venus was young, a habitable past? Some scientists believe that Venus wasn't always the hellish world it is today. Billions of years ago, when the solar system was young, Venus may have been a much more hospitable place. Computer models suggest that early Venus might have had oceans of liquid water and a temperate climate. Could life have arisen on Venus during this early period? It's a possibility that has captivated scientists for decades. If Venus did once harbor life, what happened to it? Did it go extinct as the planet transformed into a hothouse? Or could some remnants of this ancient life still cling to existence in the upper atmosphere? These are questions that future missions to Venus might help answer. Extremophiles on Earth, lessons for Venus. On Earth, life has proven to be incredibly adaptable. Extremophiles thrive in environments that would be lethal to most other organisms. We've found microbes living in the boiling water of hot springs, the acidic pools of volcanic craters, and even the crushing depths of the Mariana Trench. These hardy organisms offer a glimpse into the potential for life on other planets. If life can survive in Earth's most extreme environments, perhaps it could also exist in the seemingly inhospitable conditions of Venus's atmosphere. Extremophiles on Earth have evolved unique adaptations to survive their harsh surroundings. Could Venusian life, if it exists, have developed similar strategies? Studying extremophiles on Earth could provide valuable clues about what to look for on Venus. Venus and us, redefining life as we know it. The search for life beyond Earth is ultimately a search for ourselves. It's a quest that has driven humanity for centuries, pushing us to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos and answering the fundamental question, are we alone? This question has profound implications for our understanding of life and our place in the universe. Finding life on Venus, even in microbial form, would be a profound discovery. It would suggest that life is not unique to Earth and could exist in environments we once thought inhospitable. It would reshape our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. Life on Venus would show us that life can thrive in conditions far more extreme than those on Earth. It would demonstrate that life can arise and persist in conditions far different from our own. This would challenge our current biological paradigms and expand our horizons. Such a discovery would force us to expand our definition of what constitutes a habitable planet. Planets with extreme conditions could potentially harbor life, broadening our search for habitable worlds. It would open up the possibility that life might be common throughout the universe, not just on Earth-like planets but on worlds we once considered too extreme. This would revolutionize our approach to the search for extraterrestrial life. The implications for our understanding of life in the universe would be profound. It would change our perspective on our place in the cosmos and the potential for life beyond our planet. The cosmic perspective, a universe of possibilities. When we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded of the vastness of the cosmos and the endless mysteries it holds. Each star, each planet is a beacon of potential discoveries waiting to be made. As we continue to explore Venus, we must remain open to the unexpected. The planet's harsh environment challenges our understanding of what is possible, pushing the boundaries of science and technology. The universe is full of surprises, and Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, is no exception. Its thick clouds and scorching surface hide secrets that could reshape our knowledge of planetary science. The search for life on Venus is a journey into the unknown, a quest to understand the limits of life itself. Could life exist in such extreme conditions? This question drives scientists to probe deeper and look closer. It's a reminder that we live in a vast and awe-inspiring universe filled with endless possibilities. Each discovery on Venus could have implications for our understanding of life elsewhere in the cosmos. The discovery of life beyond Earth, whether on Venus or elsewhere, would be a transformative event in human history. It would answer one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? It would change our perspective on our place in the cosmos and inspire future generations to explore the wonders of the universe. Imagine the impact on young minds, dreaming of what lies beyond our world. For now, Venus remains an enigma, a world shrouded in mystery. Its thick, acidic clouds and volcanic surface are both a barrier and a lure for scientists. But with each mission we send, with each observation we make, we come closer to unraveling its secrets. Every piece of data brings us a step nearer to understanding this enigmatic planet. And who knows what we might find? Perhaps new forms of life or geological phenomena that defy our current understanding. Perhaps, hidden beneath those thick, acidic clouds, lies a form of life that will forever change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The journey to Venus is just beginning, and the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself.